people are gonna be like, yeah, your shower's filthy. What's going on with that shower, Brian? How about just enjoy my cat being cute? Leave a like, share. You know, the more views, then, you know, the more money I make. And maybe I could get a new shower. Look at you, kitty. What are you doing in my shower? And no, that's not dirt. That's like I've scrubbed it over and over again. I mean, yeah, that might be mold, but it's 12:06 in the morning. I ain't cleaning this mess. What about you, Fluff? All right, let's go check on the Farrells. What are you doing, Snickers? Huh? What are you doing in there? Come here, Snick. What are you doing? Kitty, kitty, kitty. How's life in the basement, or the cellar? The indoor catopia. The mess. 90% of your life is this. We've got 9 lives. Not much left. Oh my gosh. Dropping it everywhere. Meet the Farrells. There's Happy Farrell, Baby Farrell, and Gray Farrell. What's going on, kitties? Yeah. I hope to gosh you're not pregnant. I really hope you're not pregnant. Cause look, and you're starting to sag. Well, we know you're not the father. You, I gotta get fixed. And you, I know who knocked you up if you are pregnant. Yeah, if you're pregnant, I already know who did it. And I am confronting the situation. Oh, yeah, we got proof. We all know, especially if they come out black. Well, I'm not trying to shame you. I'm not trying to shame you. But, like, oh, I think you got something going on in there. All right. Anyway, come on, folks. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Please. I'm trying to get her fixed. Or at least one of these Farrells fixed. Alright, I got a third tarp up. I got these picture frames that I found on the side of the road. People just throwing out pictures. I had like 9 of them, but then my aunt wanted to buy 2 of them off me. I mean, I needed the money, but anyway. Oh, look at you. Stranded. Left out in the cold. Alright, that's a look at the feral cats. It's after midnight here. So it's a new day. And there's plenty of straw in that. Plenty of straw in that. The Happy likes to hang out on top of my claw machine. The one that works. At least I hope it works. It used to work. I think it still works. And then there's plenty of layers of blanket on top of a chair and underneath. There's like 5 layers of blankets under there. Trust me, I ain't lying. Right, Happy Kitty? I would let you in, but look, right there, Snickers, you know, right there, she will tear you up. And then a huge fight will start, then Noble will bark, and all chaos will break loose. You're good out here. You survived last winter. It's not even winter yet, okay? I got a few ideas. A few other ideas. Work with me. And Greg, what are we going to do with you if you're pregnant, huh? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to get you fixed immediately afterwards, and then I guess I'm stuck with kittens. Speaking of. Alright folks, I'm wrapping this video up. It's after midnight here in western Pennsylvania. The feral cats are surviving. Quick update, look, he's drinking some water. Gray's doing good. Oh, easy. Be nice, Happy. And I'll keep everyone updated. Is Gray pregnant? I don't know. She's been eating a lot. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you in the next video.